I don't start a conversation. To be honest, I never start talking to a random person just like that. I'm sure this must have happened with you also. You might be having that one person at least in your life. You will be having, it might be a crush, or it might be someone whom you're watching or having an eye on them every day, who you badly want to talk to, but you cannot do it because you're not so confident enough. If you are that kind of person, then you have come to the right video, because in this video I'm going to tell you some of the phrases or sentences to impress people, or you can say to start having conversation with someone who you really want to talk to. By the end of today's video, I'm going to give you some of the pickup line also, which will definitely make you impress other people. Might be someone who is in your school, or who is studying with you in your college, or who is working with you in your office. It might be anyone, but you might not know how to start the conversation, or some language or communication skills where you can actually start talking with them. So the first thing you should not do is saying hi. Going just randomly talking to a person, hey, hi, how are you? I'm Jaya, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Never do that, because when you do it, the other person might not have any interest in you, might not have any interest in talking to you. At this time, they will just listen to you and they will just go away. They might not even turn back at you. So at this time, what you have to do is start with the conversation itself. Instead of introducing yourself, start with something familiar. For example, you can say, hey, I have actually seen you somewhere. You were on that grocery store at that day, right? You were with that red color bag. Was that you? So if you do that, then that person might think that what is he even talking about. Then they will start thinking in their mind. So the sentence which you're talking to them in the first time, they will always remember that. So they will keep on thinking about it. So they will think that you're just not like that random floaty guy or girl, and they will actually start talking to you. So you have to definitely pretend, or you have to lie in the beginning to just randomly start talking with someone who you badly want to talk to. Second sentence which you can say is, hey, sorry, can you just help me with this? I have lost my way. I don't know the way to go to this place or that place. So when you actually ask them a question, they might answer you. They will have to answer you, definitely, because you're asking a help, and normal help, obviously they will help you. So at this time you can just start a conversation. At this time they will definitely tell you the answer, and also the next time when you're talking to them, you should be like, hey, thanks for telling me that way, that was really helpful. Then after that you can start having a conversation. Third type of sentence is adding your family emotions with them. Just like you can talk in the way that, hey, your dress is so good. Can you please tell me from where have you got this dress? Because I want to present this to my cousin or to my brother, because he also looks familiar just like you. So if you say that, the person might think that, wow, I am looking like someone who is in his or her family. Then they might find a slight attachment to you and they will start talking to you. Fourth kind of sentence is mistaking that person with someone else. Just like when you're walking in front of them, you should be like, hey man, how are you doing? It's been a long time. You haven't called me, or you haven't texted me for a long time. How are you doing? How was your life? At this time, the other person might be thinking, who is he? Why is he talking in this way? Why is he talking that I am so familiar to him? So at this time, after this, you should be like, oh, I'm so sorry, I have just mistaken you with someone, because that person literally looks like you. So I'm so sorry for that. So if you do this, they might have a first impression in this way that, oh my god, that guy have mistaken me. So it is just common, it is just normal. Then they'll just walk away. And the next time when you're talking to them, they will remember that incident which happened, and they might just slightly start talking to you also. And the fifth kind of sentence is lying about dreams. Yes, just imagine that some person is coming to you, and if they tell like, Hey, I have seen you in my dream. Yes, I was literally searching for this person who have been continuously appearing in my dreams, but now I have found it. That is you. So at this time, they will start thinking like, how am I coming in his dream? How am I appearing in his dream? Then, even though you don't have any connection at all, you might just apply this technique, and through this they will keep on thinking about you. Dream is all about thinking, right? So they might think that why is this person always thinking about me all the time? That is why I'm coming in his dream. So they might even take interest in you. Then they will even verify about you with someone else, and through that also you can start your conversation. So this was all I wanted to say to you. This was all I have experienced it also. So whenever you feel low or whenever you lack confidence to talk to some people, then use this method. Whenever you want to talk to some person whom you have never talked, or you want to start a conversation with them, just start with these sentences, because this will give them a better impression about you, rather than just going and talking and just blabbering to them about my own life and my own lifestyle. That will never work. It all depends upon that self-confidence which you are developing in yourself. So if you feel like you're not able to talk, and then you're just sitting at your own place and not even trying to communicate with them, then you will never do it. You will just sit there till the end of your life, and you will never be able to talk to them. So all I want to say is that use these sentences, and this will definitely make a good impression on that person whom you have been dying to talk to. And also I would like to tell you some of the pickup lines which I have read somewhere. So the first one is, are you a camera? Because whenever I look at you, I smile. And the second one is, didn't you get hurt while falling from the heaven? Which just means that that person is an angel. Go and tell me about how the pickup line was, and tell me how this video is, and tell me whether you're going to apply it or not, and tell me whether this all things have happened to you. So this is all I want to tell. Thank you so much for watching. You came till the end of the video. Thank you so much, and share this video with someone who is really scared to talk to people. Share this video with them also. Thank you so much. Until the next video. And then you should be like, hey, I have seen you somewhere. So because I have just